Just a quick video on how to replace the drives in a Dell Optiplex 7060 Micro. First thing you need to do is loosen the screw for the cover, and the cover just slides away like this, lifts up. Not all of them will have this blue caddy, but this blue caddy is for the 2.5-inch solid state drives that you can install. And then it has spots for an M.2 drive. It'll take either a M.2 2280 or an M.2 2230 SSD. Depending on how the M.2 slot is configured, you may need to relocate the screw. There would be a little screw in there. My other unit has a screw still here. So there'll be a little screw in there like that. You'll have to remove that screw, which then will give you the little Phillips head. This is a special screw. There's a hole that goes deeper down in there, so you don't want to lose that. But basically, if you're using a smaller 2230 SSD, you'll just remove this like so, and then screw it in the other hole. And then you just standard M.2 mounting procedure. You gently shove it in the slot, push it down, and then screw it down. And just make sure you have this screw in the correct spot, which in my case will be a 2280 when I set this up. With the 2.5-inch caddy, it is toolless, and you need the connectors on the drive to match the little diagram on the piece there. So connectors on the drive go towards the little springy bits, and then the top of the drive goes up. So I'm going like this. And this one's being a little silly, so there we go. When you reinstall it, you put it down in there, and you notice there's a little hole in the caddy. You want to line that up like so, so it goes through, and you'll slide it towards the connector till it clicks into place. And then once you're done, just simple matter of putting the cover back on. You may need to go into BIOS and enable or disable drives, depending if you're adding or removing, since the drives might be disabled, or the drive connector might be disabled in BIOS. But otherwise, pretty straightforward. So, hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.